Wild day on the street, only to close lower. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's Bubba's Daily Update from the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, and markets had a wild day today. We had overnight, markets were about 100 lower. During the day, they rallied all the way up and made some highs, and before you knew it, they were back lower again. Then they tried to rally, and then they're lower again. And at the end of the day, here we have a market that is just looks like it's putting in some really good, solid topping action. This is what you look for. We continue to talk about watching the dollar, which was higher today, and the VIX, which is higher today, and these are signs that the markets are looking to go the other way. Again, we're right now in a big, wide, sweeping consolidation pattern that does not bode itself to a trend one way or the other. You get these wild moves, but if we continue to make lower highs, that will be the indication that the tops are in, and the next rally that will come from here will be the key. Now, again, we continue to fail at lower highs, which means that we're probably headed lower. But again, we're still in this major band, and the rally of Thursday, Friday, and Monday were indications that maybe the top wasn't. So again, that's the toughest challenge when the markets are in a consolidation pattern. In the meantime, you had oil got clobbered again, which is what we expected. You had the grain markets much stronger, and of course there's a lot going on in basis weather. But again, there's some new money, I think, flowing in the grains as well. Look for a little bit of a pullback before we start to step in and buy again. We have been buyers for the last 30%, so no surprise there. We look for some movement higher, but again, I would look for a little bit of a push down here. Cattle markets remain to be under a little bit of pressure now and looking to test our lows where we want to get to so we can actually step in and buy them again. Hogs got clobbered. Again, are butchered, baby. We want to step in and buy those as well at these levels right here. Bitcoin is really just churning, not doing much of anything. Bonds were higher. Gold was flat, but gold looks like it's going to 1,300. So there's a lot of things going on here right now that are great indications that markets are getting ready to turn the other side. So at the end of the day, we want to look for spots to sell into this market. And again, there's stocks that are up. So again, it's not like it's a total sell everything. And of course, in your own portfolio, you should manage your portfolio and hopefully that you're hedged it. But in the meantime, we want to continue to keep ourselves very footloose and fancy free and not try to overguess or outthink or outsmart the markets here. All right, so we'll be back tomorrow again still from the Atlantic Ocean. But this is Bubba's Daily Update. And of course, check out highschoolinvesting.com. If you want to help us out, go to patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And don't forget to get the Bubba Show every day from 2 to 3 Eastern Time, 4 to 5 Eastern Time at libertytalk.fm. This is Bubba's Daily Update. And again, very wild markets. Let's keep our eyes on it. And let's be ready to trade when it's ready. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Thanks so much.